Hello and welcome to a video tutorial on how to install your NPRM system. My name is Haven Smith, Product Marketing Associate, and today we're going to go through the steps required to get your NPRM system up and running. These are the parts that come included with your system. These parts are not included and you will have to have them on hand in order to complete the installation. Base assembly. To start, you'll lay out all base assembly pieces and connect legs to base with the provided bolts. It helps to prop the base up on cinder blocks. For ease of process, don't tighten anything until all pieces are in place. You'll then assemble the feet to the legs. As a general rule, all nuts should be facing outward. And be sure that the feet are on the outside of the flanges so that the cinder blocks fit comfortably. Then you can attach the gussets to the legs. Pole assembly. Once the base is assembled, put the largest bolts in one washer, insert from the bottom side, add a washer, lock the washer, and put a nut on top and tighten. Place 4 of the cinder blocks per each foot before tightening the bolts. Then you can add another nut halfway down the bolt and then another washer. Then place the first pole on the bolts. Using a bubble level, loosen or tighten the bolts until the pole is straight and place the first pole on the bolts. Then add the washer and the nut to the bolt and tighten all bolts on the base to ensure that it's locked. Using a lift, raise the lift up to the top of the base assembly and mount the second pole with bolts, washers, and nuts. Be sure that all the connections are securely tightened and repeat this process with the third pole. Camera installation. First, remove the camera bolt from the mounting bracket, and with the protruding lip of the mounting bracket facing down, slide the mounting bracket on top of the mast facing the general direction of the job site. Then tighten the band clamps using a drill. The excess band clamp cables can be fed through the center of the pole or cut off. Slide the camera mount with the camera attached onto the universal bracket until it's resting on the protruding lip. Then place the camera bolt to secure the camera assembly. Positioning your camera. With the head mounted, face the camera towards the desired view and tighten all connections. After, connect the power cable to the camera and leave some slack in the cable so as not to stress the connection. Then zip tie the cable to the pole as you travel down the pole. Zip tie the power cable every 5 feet. If you have any questions, please reach out to your customer support representative. Thank you for choosing Ox Blue, part of Hexagon.